Welcome in third semester, Jane Austen. We will discuss question and answers. Our classes are affiliated with GC University, so the question may come as why does Charlotte Lucas marry Mr. Collins? क्या वजह है कि Charlotte Lucas जो है वो Mr. Collins से मैरिज को तरजीह देती है? Charlotte marries Mr. Collins because he has a stable income and offers her the opportunity to have a home of her own. This is the main cause. She doesn't love him, but she doesn't believe that love is essential for a successful marriage. This is the main cause. Next. Second question. Why is Lizzie Mr. Bennet's favorite daughter? Lizzie is her father's favorite child because she is the only one to share his wit and sense of humor. Early in the novel, Mr. Bennet is described as a mixture of quick part, sarcastic humor, and reserve. Lizzie shares many of these qualities, so she is favorite to his father. Question 3. Why does Darcy dislike Wickham? Very important question. Darcy has long seen Wickham to be selfish and unscrupulous, characterized by vicious propensities. In particular, Darcy detests Wickham. वो उससे नफरत करती है because after Darcy refused to give Wickham money. This is the main cause. Why does Lizzie form a negative first impression of Darcy? When Lizzie first meets Darcy at the ball, he makes a bad first impression by being cold, reserved, and unfriendly toward everyone. Like the other guests, Lizzie decides that he was the proudest, proudest, most disagreeable man in the world. Why does Lizzie reject Darcy's first proposal to her? Lizzie rejects Darcy's first proposal because while he admits to loving her, he also says many insulting things about her family and social position. It is not acceptable. Darcy makes clear his sense of her inferiority. Question 6. What is the significance of the novel opening lines? Very important question. The novel's opening lines summarize the story that follows by focusing the reader's attention on the subject of marriage and the two main characters to come. The single man in possession of a good fortune, Mr. Darcy, and his wife to be Elizabeth Bennet. According to Mr. Darcy, what qualities make a woman accomplished? What are the beauties? What are the main target character of a woman? Mr. Darcy agrees with Charles Bingley that an accomplished woman must have a knowledge of music, art, and language, and that she should also possess a certain something in her air and manner of walking, the tone of her voice. However, Darcy adds one more quality to the list, the improvement of her mind by extensive reading. This addition, of course, applies explicitly. Mr. Darcy's family estate at Pemberley has an extensive liberty and library room where they can study in a free way that Mr. Darcy and Elizabeth articulate and literate in a very more better way. Now, what role do letters play in the novel? No doubt, letter plays very important role. In addition to face conversation, letters are the means that characters use to convey their intentions and wishes, and one of the ways readers learn important information about the characters. A few examples of the role letters play include the following. There is Elizabeth writers to her mother. Letters writing is there to have connection with the mother, to summon a carriage to Netherfields. Mr. Collins sends what is revealed about the characters after Elizabeth rejects Mr. Collins proposal. Very important question. After Elizabeth rejects Mr. Collins' proposal, readers discover different characters' opinions about marriage. Readers learn that Elizabeth will not marry someone with whom she is not in love, and she considers Mr. Collins an imbecile. Readers learn that Mr. Collins is intent on finding a wife and that he doesn't care who she is, for he proposes the next day to Charlotte Lucas, who accepts. Question 10. How is the novel a critique of the social norms of its time? Very important question. Austen shows that people who have more money or a higher social status are not necessarily better people. In fact, after they have less integrity, less intelligence, and less ability to make the world a better place. For example, Caroline Bingley finds the Bennet sisters boring and their mother intolerable, but she is only trying to woo Mr. Darcy for herself. How are Mr. and Mrs. Bennet different? Very important question. The nervous Mrs. Bennet only wants her daughters to marry for fortune and status, only for status, wealth, and soon, but the logical Mr. Bennet enjoys the company of his daughters and hopes that they marry for love when they are ready. Mr. Bennet's domain is the health and the kitchen, and she is flightly and busy most of the time. Mr. Bennet's domain is his study, and he prefers to withdraw and detach from the family. Very important aspect. What is the entailment and what role does it play in the novel? Entailment. Based on the evidence in the novel, entailment is a logical and legal situation, kanuni haysiyat, in which a property or estate automatically transfers to a predetermined heir regardless of how many children the property owner has. In the case of the Bennet family, their property will automatically be inherited by William Collins, not any of the Bennet daughters. This controversial reality is evoked many times by Mrs. Bennet. Who is Lady Catherine B. de Bourgh and how does she influence the plot? It's the character of Lady Catherine de Bourgh is Mr. Darcy's aunt and the benefactor to Mr. Collins and his wife. You can study the character as well. Why does Wickham lie to Elizabeth? George Wickham lies to Elizabeth and omits many of the details about the truth because he wants to impress her and disparage Mr. Darcy. Wickham tells Elizabeth that Mr. Darcy's father's wishes were ignored when they were not. He fails to tell her about his dalliance with Georgiana Darcy, his living his studies in both theology and law, and his mismanagement of money. It is very ironical situation that Elizabeth declares that Mr. Darcy should be publicly disgraced when her commitment and comment and attitude apply more to Wickham than to Mr. Darcy. Very important question. What role does prejudice play in the novel? It recommends that title as well. Repeatedly, the novel warns against trusting on one's first impression and prejudice. First impression, it is said, is the last impression. Elizabeth's first impression of Mr. Darcy is that he is arrogant and aloof, but in the end, she loves him deeply. Conversely, her first impression of Wickham is that he is charming and good looking, but he turns out to be a liar and a cheat. The Bennet's first impression of Lady Catherine's admiration for her great wealth and status, but they eventually despise her and her outdated attitudes. Over the course of the novel, Several characters revise their prejudices as loathing turns to admiration and vice versa. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yes, please repeat the questions.